The mock test is an essential component of the curriculum, designed to mirror the format and standards of the IELTS exam. It allows students to assess their current level in relation to IELTS criteria. This experience helps students become more familiar with the test, while also pinpointing areas that they need improvement. At NIEC, we offer free mock tests that interested students can participate in. NIEC also offers booster classes for all students where instructors provide personalized one-on-one guidance on modules that they find challenging. These classes have helped numerous students gain a better understanding of the material, leading to improved scores. For further inquiry, contact at NIEC. We would like to notify you that a mock test will be held on Saturday, January 25th at 7 a.m. As part of our commitment to achieving excellent results, NIEC has always placed this as a top priority. We are also celebrating our 25th anniversary on the same day. On behalf of our team, I warmly invite every one of you to join us in celebrating this significant milestone and making it a memorable occasion.